pasta linguine. Same principle here. A little bit of salt. Salt to taste. Salt in the water. Salt to taste. There you go. Wait for the water to boil. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put in the linguine. Pasta. Linguine pasta. Now linguine, you guys, is kind of thin. Okay. So look how it falls in there real nicely. You're gonna, now because it's kind of thin, you guys, you really want to keep an eye on this. This stuff will cook in like 7 to 8 minutes. So cooking time is a lot less than when you're making, you know, different types of pasta take, you know, some take a little longer, some take a little shorter. You see how it's just falling in there? Alright, you see that? It's all in there now. We're going to stir it a little bit. Just give it that good stir. Thing that makes it taste the best. Lots of love in there. You know what I'm saying? Blessings on blessings on blessings upon you. There you go. Gotta bless the food. Always bless the food. So whoever eats it, gonna be blessed. There you go. A little stir. A little bit of stirring. It's nice. And it's only been in there for a few minutes, so you just, you know, you want to taste it. Once you get to like the 5-minute, 6-minute mark, taste it, and then leave it in for another minute. It's not ready yet. Because like I said, this linguine is a little thinner, cooks a little bit faster. Another minute or two. Alright, you guys, now this is ready. This is ready. This is ready to come out. Yeah, that, huh? That's ready. That's nice. Again, not too soft, not too hard, just right. That's right. Alright.